Hi, good day, M61898. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, ma'am and sir, to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Cherry Ann Alawang. I am 26 years old. I am married. I have two children, one boy 8 years old and one girl 5 years old. I am Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment.
I am high school graduate in
Okay.
ALS.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I am a work experience in here in the Philippines in 1 year and 6 months. The four members of the family included the couple, one uh, 3 years old and 1 year old baby.
Newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Until 1 year old, you are the one who took care of the newborn until
Yes,
1 year
sir.
old. And also other household chores that you do.
Uh, Good cleaning, then washing, uh,
Okay, cleaning and washing and other household chores, right? So you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to take care of a newborn, right?
yes, sir.
And you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes, sir.
What if the baby is crying? What will you do?
Uh, Check the diaper and check the temperature of the baby. If the baby is hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call the employer, then I tell them that baby is not stop the crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To provide to provide my family
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more than it depends to my employer.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook the adobo here in the Philippines and sinigang.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Watching the YouTube, then I buy the book.
Like recipe books, right? And
Yes.
also if you have an if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could also ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir,
Okay.
ma'am.
If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, ma'am and sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helpers.
Yes, ma'am and sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employers?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
How about sharing jobs with other helper?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Taking care of pets.
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Helping get them go to the bathroom, to hospital. It is okay with you?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, uh, please hire me. I will provide all my best to give all.
Okay, what can you promise your employer so that they could hire you?
I promise to you that I will take care of your family as my family too.
Okay, can you also promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Cherry Ann.
Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. God bless.
Okay.